Hi, I'm Norman A. Hood, financial advisor and host of the Exit Plan Show. I interview America's top advisors like today's guest, Wesley Legg of Founders Investment Banking, to help business owners enjoy more personal freedom, grow their companies faster, and transition ownership seamlessly when the time comes. Welcome to the show, Wesley.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Hey, we're going to start out. I'm just going to have you tell our audience a little bit about your background and in your career path up until now.
Sure. I started kind of in the non-traditional path to where I am now. I was actually an attorney.
Oh, okay.
A prosecutor for the Navy.
Oh.
A JAG.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah.
Your viewers may know that, the TV show JAG. But,
right.
No, it's nothing like the show. But from there, I jumped into finance and started actually with a hedge fund as an equity analyst.
Oh, okay.
For a hedge fund, and did that for several years. And that's kind of where I got my lesson on what makes a company valuable and investing and a variety of other things. But now I currently work at Founders Investment Banking, and I'm the COO, CFO of our firm, and we're an M&A and strategic advisory firm for middle market companies.
Okay. You and I just met. How do the people that know you the best, how do you think they describe you? Personally?
That's tough to answer. Without sounding too, I don't like to talk about myself.
Right.
I think they would probably say that I have a quiet demeanor, but that I kind of stand firm with my values, and that really kind of segues into our firm, Founders. I would say that people find our firm the same way, very personable, and not just about the deal, but about people, and that really comes from the underlying values that we have at our firm.
Okay. What types of services does Founders offer?
We do M&A advisory, and primarily on the sell side, represent private companies by creating a competitive market for them. Typically institutional grade companies, 10 million to hundreds of millions in revenue.
Okay.
Primarily selling to either strategics or private equity buyers. But we also have a strategic advisory practice that comes in a little early and helps those business owners or businesses that are not quite institutional grade, or they are institutional grade, but they like to increase the value of their company before they sell.
Okay. What do you think differentiates you from some of the other investment banking firms? Is there anything?
Well, from the investment, our competitors are not always investment banks. So there's a lot of differentiating factors with those type groups. But with investment banks specifically, like us, I would say the person, we're very professional and focused on getting deals done, but we're also very personal. So we really try to put the client first. We build deep relationships with our clients, and it really comes through on the back end with experience that the client has. In addition to that, we do have a couple niches that we focus on, industry niches where we have special expertise.
Okay, what are those?
Those are oil and gas services, and technology companies, particularly software and digital media companies.
Okay. So in your role at Founders, is there any one thing you like to do more than anything else?
I really like to collaborate with our team. I really like seeing our team come together for on behalf of our clients, and so I really like that. I like improving. I like hiring the right people. I like training them. I like seeing them grow, and I really like it when that benefits the client and the client is delighted. So I probably am most happy when we have a delighted client.
Okay, good. We hear a lot of today talked about a person's why in business. What's your why? I know you started out as a prosecutor. Why did you decide to focus on this, and why are you still so energetic about it?
Yeah, well, I don't know that I went looking for it. I think it kind of found me based on relationships I had and things that happened that were probably outside of my control. So maybe a little bit of luck that I was able to find this. But what I really love about it is so dynamic, and I love seeing different companies and different business models, and it's exciting to me to see people start really with nothing and grow something that's benefiting not just themselves and their employees, but society as a whole. So I love seeing that, and kind of my why is I again, going back to people, I like seeing both our team rally around a cause and share values and really go serve our clients, and I love to see clients delighted.
Okay.
That's my why.
Okay, great. The last question. Business owners watch our show for one of a few reasons. They either want to enjoy a little more personal freedom, taking some time away from the company,
Right.
grow faster,
Right.
or transition ownership to either a third party or to an insider. And then more recently, we run into business owners that are having a hard time redefining their purpose after they leave their company. If you could give business owners a tip in any one of those four areas, what do you think it would be?
I'm going to sound like a broken record, Norm, but I'm going to say for the first three, it's people.
Okay.
I mean, if you want more personal freedom, it's about getting the right people in place.
Okay.
And letting your hands come off the reins a little bit so that other people can take your company to the next level. And by the way, buyers are going to want that too.
True.
Particularly if you want to walk away, they're going to want to know that there's some leadership behind you so that company's not going to fall apart when you're gone. And if you look at any strong business that's been around for a long time and outperform the market, you can really look at the people element of it and it's there.
Okay.
As far as people transitioning to something different, I would say, you really got to look within and see maybe what you were created to do and what this freedom allows you to do, and find what you enjoy and what you can give to others and what makes you happy doing, and try to find that and get plugged into that, because you certainly can do that just outside of just your business.
Okay, great. Good, very good interview. Thank you. That was Wesley Legg with Founders Investment Banking. For more information about Wesley and his firm, please check out the show notes for this episode on our website.